the concerts and actually went and met some of the really badly injured GIs in the wards. And then he came back down the road to South Cerney and actually had a meal in that mess over there. And then he flew out in August 1944. And Glenn had arrived here in June of 1944 with this band which he put together in America to entertain the troops and basically to raise the morale, to give them a hunk of home, as he described it. And as we know, of course, he remained here right the way through until December. He actually had 2 packs of pneumonia, because if you see photographs of Glenn Miller when he was in Britain, he did look pretty ill. Of course, history records that he flew out of Twinwood Airfield on the 15th of December, and the idea was to go to France to set up all the facilities and the arrangements for the band of the AEF to play to some of the troops in re-liberated France. But unfortunately, as we know, the engine on his plane froze up over the English Channel, and he didn't arrive, and 2 other men were killed in the process. So we always commemorate the memory of Major Alton G. Miller for this weekend, because it was a significant moment in Gloucestershire history that great band leader, who we still talk about to this very day, is commemorated in that way. Now, from one great wartime hero to another. Do you recognise this song? It sounds from the wartime, doesn't it? Who's going to be singing in a minute? Can you name it? Get ready. Dave Vera.